Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Yesterday what happened? Yesterday what happened?
How?
Yesterday what happened?
Yesterday.
Yes.
Yesterday, when you were asked any question, I am just reply and you are not listen anything. It's maybe network problem was there.
Okay, for network problem maybe because the two persons are also facing the same. They are telling, but I am not listening anything. And when they are telling, I am also not listening to them. And after 10 minutes,
Message.
yes, that's. But I was reading your message, but I could not answer you because I was making them understand only. That's why I didn't answer. Get the time to answer. That's the thing. So today our new topic is that process. Did you know? Did you understand that process? How to make translations? Can you say me? Can you explain me this one? How to make it and with an example?
For example, I eat rice. Ambat khai. It's when first of all we are find where who and we can say that by whom. I mean who, what, when. In this word we are first finding. After that, what are doing like verb, and after that object. So here Ami baat kai, here subject is I and verb is it and verb is it and baat English kai. Sorry, Ami baat kai, here subject is I, Ami. So first we are written just I and after that we finding verb. So their verb is it, kawa. So after that, after subject we written just it and after that object, rice.
Up to this much?
Yes. First identify that what tense is. First identify that and after that just process of this that first of all we are written subject, after that verb, after that object.
So your answer is correct, but the way we have understood yesterday, the process is you have to know first of all you have to know the time.
Yes.
Next you have to know the word's meaning. Words meaning. And next you have to know the arrangement, how to arrange the sentence, because I will show you why we are arranging the sentence. That Ami bhat khai. Ami bhat khai. So first we have to know what is the sentence, what is the time of this sentence. Time is present tense. It is present tense. Okay. So words means Ami English I, then bhat English rice, and khai English eat. Okay, like that I am giving you. Now I have known the time also, I have known the words also, but I have to arrange the sentence. I rice eat. It is not looking good. It is looking odd. Is not it? So I have to write the sentence in such a way that it can a complete sentence. So I eat rice. And this is the translation, and this is the process of translation. And I think it is the easiest way of making translations. because otherwise you will be what is subject, what is object, what do you mean by object, do you mean by verb. These things are really very good to if you are learning, that is very good. But I think that what will be the easiest process to make you understand, because if you are not getting the easiest process, then you will not understand the big things. Okay, so that's the process of making understand. That's the process of making translations. How to make translations? These are the things. Okay, so like this one, मैं तुम्हारा नाम जानता हूँ. मैं तुम्हारा नाम जानता हूँ. So what will be the here? This is time. Time is, now you tell me the this process, time and words and also arrange. All these three, you complete all these things. Time, words and arrangement of everything you do. मैं तुम्हारा नाम जानता हूँ. What is the time here? And
time is present indefinite tense.
Present indefinite tense. Very good. Yes. Now words. Word. मैं English, right? मैं English, तुम्हारा English. नाम जानता हूँ, like this. All these things you write now directly the meaning of the words in English you write like that. It is present. Again I am saying you present. You are writing present. Then मैं is, then I, then तुम्हारा you, तुम्हारा your, then name, नाम in English is name, and जानता हूँ means I, जानता हूँ means know. So I your name know. It is the thing. So we have to write here I know your name. That is the thing. I know your name. That is the arrangement. This is called arrangement of sentence. Did you get the point? Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello.
Did you get the point?
Yes.
That's way you have to make a sentence. I am giving you another sentence, and that is your part to make it understand to me how to make the translations. So, तुम अभी गाना गा रहे हो. तुम अभी गाना गा रहे हो. Right, this one. Tell me, make me understand, and all these things, and just everything you make me understand. Hello? Hello? Hello?